In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share passwords securely using 1password, ensuring your sensitive information remains safe. With so much of our lives being online, sharing passwords securely is essential to protect our personal data and that of those we trust. Fortunately, 1password makes this task straightforward and efficient, and I'm here to guide you through each step. First, let's visit 1password's official website. You can do this by heading over to your preferred web browser and typing in 1password. Once you arrive at their homepage, you'll be greeted with a user-friendly layout that invites you to explore its features. For those of you new to password management, 1password provides an excellent set of tools to keep your digital life organized and secure. To get started, let's log into your 1password account. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to create an account which is free to start with and easily upgraded to access more robust features. Click on the Login button, which you'll find at the top right corner of the page. Enter your credentials, which typically include your email and master password, a unique and strong combination only you know. Remember, your master password is the key to keeping all your other passwords safe, so make sure it's both strong and memorable. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll be taken to your home page. This is your command center where you can manage all your saved passwords, credit card information, secure notes, and more. Now, to share a password, we need to navigate to a specific area called the Vault. The Vault is essentially a secure folder where your passwords are stored. Within your home page, look for the option to select a vault. This allows you to organize your passwords into categories, like personal, work, or shared. When you've found the vault you'd like to share, click on it. This brings up a list of all the saved items within that particular vault. To share an item, click on the Shared option that's available in the menu. Sharing is a crucial feature, often used for scenarios like providing a trusted colleague with access to a shared resource, or simply allowing family members to log into a mutual streaming service. At this point, you're ready to select the item you wish to share. You can choose to share individual entries within the vault, ensuring you maintain full control over what's being shared and with whom. And that's pretty much it. By following these easy steps within 1password, you can securely share passwords without compromising security. This process ensures that those who need access will have it, and those who don't won't accidentally gain access. I hope this tutorial has clarified how to share passwords securely using 1password. Thanks for watching. And remember to keep your digital life protected and organized. Until next time, stay safe online.